What you're trying to do is get all the ingredients to spin around the outside of the cocktail glass, and they will mix much like a tornado would.
Expert how-tos.
To stir, almost like you're holding a pencil, I usually use a second grip with another finger on the end. Place the outside of your spoon to the outside of the glass and just swirl it around the outside. Some people will use the teardrop end of a stirrer or a mixing spoon to stir, also completely fine, pulling ingredients down out to the edge of the cocktail and around. So it works the same way with just that. Almost works better, some people would have you say. I prefer to use a spoon. Some people use the back end of a spoon. As you see, mixing much like a tornado, all the ingredients pull all the way down and out and up to the outside of the glass. It mixes and chills your cocktail all at one time.